Hi guys, so I had another grocery pickup from Walmart. I think I'm kind of not over it, but I'm gonna go back to Aldi's and pick my groceries next time. So we've been eating out too much lately, to be honest. So a lot of stuff we already have. So this is kind of like a Mod Podge of stuff to make meals. So let me show you what I picked up right quick, so I can put like the ice cream and stuff away. And I'm sorry, it's just throwed up here any kind of way. I picked up again the deep dish mini pizzas. They're like $2. They like those. And then the thin crust pepperoni. I think I picked this up last time and they like that too. Turn on this light. They like those too. So I picked up 2 of those. 2 of the cookies and cream. I think in the store they do sell the larger tub, but online I don't see the tub. I only see the little things, and these are like $187 or $184 a piece. The deep dish are $2. 3 meat. I thought I picked up 2 or 3 meat, but this is supreme in the ones. Yeah, 3 meat. I picked up some meatloaf seasoning to make some meatloaf. I have some ground beef already, some taco seasoning mix, 2 packets of that, and we're gonna have like taco salad tonight. Wheat bread, 2 of those, some flushable wipes. Let's see, some chunky salsa for the taco salad or whatever. They love salsa. Some oranges. I did order some organic ones, just because it was like a couple of cents more, and they didn't have that. So she said that it should still, she did say it should still be the same price of what I ordered. No, less, I'm sorry. Also I picked up the 5-pound of the Red Delicious apples. I picked up sausage biscuits from Hardee's. That's the jelly. And some orange juice. We love orange juice. And it looks like this orange juice, she dropped it and she should have gave me another one. I don't know why. Or maybe that's all they had. Or maybe it was like that. She might not drop it. Somebody else might have dropped it. I picked up the big bag of the Caesar salad kit. And family size. And then I picked up some fire roasted corn to put on the taco salad, and then also some black beans on the taco salad. Let's see, some hamburger helper lasagna. This is the twin pack for a night I want to just make something super quick. Lemonade drink mix, the Great Value, and then also the fruit punch drink mix. I have 2 large cases of the purified drinking water value pack, the 35 pack. I picked also up some bananas. There's some more jelly. I did pick up the Safeguard as well. So everybody else likes this. This is fine. Yeah, if you saw that Dollar Tree haul, you know what I'm talking about. Also, for I like the round corn. I think it's the corn tortillas, but the little round ones that come like in a little bag. Aldi has them. Other store, Walmart may have them, but I didn't see it online. So you can also make a taco salad just like out of these tortillas too. So I picked up 2 bags of those. They were $2 each. Also the Mexican 4 cheese style shredded cheese Kraft. That was $5, like almost $5. The original pepperoni. Some deli fresh honey ham. I grabbed that because it was like, you know, when you check out, they ask you, do you need anything else? And I just said, well, let me go ahead. I thought I was ordering, you know, when you watch the hauls, you usually see me get the bag of the romaine lettuce. So this is not quite what I wanted, but that's fine. I don't remember the price, but it's not a lot in there. It's not a lot in there, but I guess I can use the Caesar salad lettuce. The Mexican rice, I just picked up 1 of these to make, to add more filler to the salad so that they won't be so greedy. I probably should have picked up 2, but it should spread out and make more. A big pack of the honey buns for them. JJ's tracked out and he is eating up. I knew it was going to come one day that he's just eating up something. Of course, Catrell's like he's getting bigger and eating up something too. And just greedy, and just like he can be greedy at his own moment, but I know he's gonna eat me out of house and home just like them. So 2 of the fudge rounds, no, not 2, 1 of the big pack of fudge rounds. Jason picked this up the other day, so I meant to move this. This is butter bread from, we were having burgers and fries, and he picked that up. Just some sandwich bread and this from Dollar General. Okay, some grape drink mix. Uh-oh. Some grape jelly. We always have this on hand. Let's see, some manwich. I picked up the 2 big cans. The big thing of, let me turn to the other side. She has my sticker on it. The big thing of chips. They'll go through this super fast. Sometimes I feel like. Also picked up some Snuggle. And we got some of everything over here. Prescription meds, Cottrell's prescriptions. Foaming bath scrubber. I had to go in the boys' bathroom. I usually get them to clean their bathroom, and I go behind them and clean. And JJ does an okay job. He still needs to learn. Cottrell, of course, does he does a little bit better job than JJ. But their bathroom looked hideous. And I told him, I said, don't you know we still have to live here when y'all leave? This is the guest bathroom. And so I had to scrub their bathroom to get it to mommy's liking. And then so I picked these bath foamers, foaming bath scrubber. I saw this in the online. So this is the only thing that really gets my tub or magic eraser, gets my tub or shower super clean, like brand new. And they used to have like a little handheld thing that you could velcro to the top and hold it, but I haven't seen those. I will only see them at Target. But anyway, I also picked up some Waverly chalk plaster paint. I love the Walmart Waverly, which is the only one I really tried. And they're about $5 something a piece. And so I bought 3 the other day, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've been been using on a lot of stuff, different stuff. But I'm gonna show you when I finish my craft room what I've been using it for. Melatonin. You guys, someone suggested, Hope, try this instead of, and I don't remember ordering this one because it was $7. So they better gave me the $5 price, because I remember seeing this one, I think. But anyway, instead of taking the sleep aid liquid stuff from Dollar Tree or the Benadryl, when sometimes I can't sleep, so I picked that up. I need to ask the nurses, is that okay for Cottrell to take that, because he hasn't been sleeping well. He's been sleeping in the recliner, so I don't know. I have to ask. I also picked up the kids some Equate Children's multivitamins. This is the big thing of $180. And then also some rubbing alcohol. Also, I picked up ordered 2 of the Premier Protein. Trying to get back on track. I'm thinking about joining Weight Watchers. I'm not sure. I may. I just need that accountability to lose. I also picked up a plunger, and I don't think this is a deluxe plunger. It says it is, but you know how they have the plunger with the other, I don't know, the other part coming out the bottom. The boys, of course, I was in their bathroom, and I was like, it's time to throw that one away. So that's why I picked that one up. It's just some of those things you just forget. I know I do. With all the other millions of things, I forget to pick stuff up like that. So you can on Walmart.com order non-food stuff like electronics, printer, ink, stuff like that. It doesn't have to all be food. That accountability to lose weight. So I should lose, because I have the sleeve. I give myself, they say you should lose 1 to 2 pounds a week. I should say I should lose 2 pounds a week. So anyway, I've been thinking about it for a while, but it's like you can't focus on too many things. They say your mind can only focus on, is it 3 things at a time? Totally focus. And it's tough when you're trying to focus on something else to focus on something else. You already have 2 or 3 things, and your main thing is always usually is your family. So anyway, they substitute this original Tombstone 4 meat for the Great Value in the box because they didn't have it. They didn't have my hole punch, guys, and I was like, I know I got a hole punch. But what happened was, when my husband had his business, somehow it got disheveled and got lost. So I'm thinking that's what happened because I cannot find it. So she said they didn't have any, and I was disappointed because I was ready to put these papers in my little class I'm taking in my notebook. So now I got to go to the other Walmart and see if they have it. 2 of the white bread, and what else they didn't have? I can't think what else they didn't have. And she said, so I have to make sure I check my receipt to make sure I get refunded for that amount, because they already withdrew the money for this total. So guys, thanks so much for watching as always. Sorry this was kind of rushed or rambled or every which way. I just got home in between my break and I feel like I'm always running doing something. So guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your day and your week. Bye bye.